Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between invoice and cash memo. A business transaction is one that is capable of being measured in monetary terms and that affects the company's operations. There are hundreds of business transactions that takes place daily. To record these transactions, there are different kinds of commercial documents are used. One such document is an invoice, which may be understood as a legal and commercial instrument made by the vendor and sent to the customer or client to authorize the sale. It sets forth all the goods sent or services provided, for which the payment is not made by the customer. In contrast, cash memo alludes to a voucher, which is used at the time of cash sales to the customer. It lists out name and address of the customer, quantity, description, price of the product, discount and taxes thereon. Many think that invoice is equal to cash memo, which is not true, as there is a fine line of difference between invoice and cash memo. So, let's look into the basic differences between invoice and cash memo in a tabular form. Difference number 1. An invoice is a commercial document issued by the seller to the buyer to make a request for payment, whereas a cash memo is a commercial document issued by the seller to the buyer when cash is received as a payment. Number 2. An invoice is raised before the payment, while cash memo is raised when the payment is made. Number 3. An invoice is issued at the time of credit sales, while cash memo is issued at the time of cash sales. And, difference number 4. An invoice is an evidence of payment due, while cash memo is an evidence of payment received.